Creating reports for DOTs and agencies should be simple, but manually pasting together data from multiple sources or exporting data into Excel to be reassembled is not an efficient use of time. In this lightning demo, I'll show you how producers and engineering labs can easily execute single sample reports, multiple sample reports, and Excel to Excel exports in LASTRADA. So first, let's start with the sample report with a single sample. So we've opened up our sample dialog, and we'll come down here and we'll select Edit Document. We'll select the report that we want to generate and click OK. Now you have a single sample report. Now, if you'd like to generate a sample report with multiple samples in it, we'll come in here and we'll select Multiple Samples. Come down and we'll select our Edit Document. And now you have a report with multiple samples on it. Some DOTs require reports to be in an Excel format. So for this example, we'll use a mix design module. And we'll export our mix design. We'll give the file a name and save it to a location where we can find it. We will open up the report that we are going to fill. We'll click the developer tool and import. We'll find the file that we just saved and we will import it. And now the gradation information has just populated. For more ways LASTRADA can simplify your work, check out our other lightning demo videos at lastradapartners.com/resources or visit our contact page to speak with one of our engineers.